comes Square Sam. He's strong and loves building houses.
Hi there, I'm Square Sam. I have 4 equal sides.
And here's Circle Cindy. She loves to roll and spin.
Wait, no corners here. I'm perfectly round.
Next up, it's Triangle Tina, sharp and smart.
I have 3 sides. I love climbing mountains.
Don't forget Rectangle Ron. He drives the shape bus.
Hop in. I'm longer than I'm wide.
Oh no, the playground is broken. The shapes decide to work together to build a new one. Sam builds the sandbox.
He designs the merry-go-round.
Tina makes a climbing wall. Don brings tools in his rectangle bus. Hooray! The new playground is ready. Teamwork and shapes make the day fun. Minku claps and says,
Great job, friends! Did you enjoy Shape Town Adventure? Tap that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning on Minku Kids TV.